Okay guys, it is the next day. I went to school and like the movers that were like packing everything up came at like 7:30 in the morning, and it is now 6 o'clock at night and they are still like moving it into the other house. My house is empty and it's weird. I just posted my first YouTube video like less than an hour ago. Oh, everyone's being so nice. Anyway, if you guys haven't checked out that video yet, please do. I worked so hard on it. So this is the living room that you guys saw the other day. Literally just like my brother's like games and stuff. Then this is this room. And the living room, which is so insane to me. Also, it's weird because like without all of the furniture and stuff, there's like you probably can't hear it on camera, there's like a slight echo. I don't know, it's weird. Okay, just got back from school. It is now Thursday, January 3rd. I haven't had my breakdown yet, but this is my room. It is completely empty. We sold our house without buying one. Nice one, Mom and Dad, but it's weird. It's really weird.
Wait in the garage, so you know.
We just made it. So we're at the new house. This is really weird. You can probably hear my siblings outside because we are now all so close together. So fun. But I obviously have a ton of boxes. I might do a little time lapse. I'm gonna try and unpack as much as I can. Okay, so I just opened all of them. This one is like clothes. I have no idea what this one is. The one I was talking about before. Like, it's ping pong paddles. That's just a box. Like, I have no idea what that is. Clothes. What's this one? That's just stuff for my room. Clothes. And then this one is like blankets and just like room stuff. Okay, so I'm talking quietly because it's like late, but this vlog is like so short and I want it to be like a little bit longer than this. If you guys haven't seen this, go check it out. It was probably the video or like 2 videos before this, maybe the one even right before it, I'm not sure, but yeah. My parents are actually taking forever. They said we were leaving at 12. It is 12:30 and I'm really excited because I really just want to like get stuff for my room because I'm currently sleeping on a mattress on the floor. My mom is looking at me, so I'm gonna go. Okay, so my dad is pumping air for the tires, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm planning on getting. Mom, what are you getting?
I am looking for some fun carpets for our rental house.
I am looking for a dresser, not a dresser, a desk, because I need a new desk.
Why do you need a new desk?
Because I don't have a desk.
Because you ruined your current desk?
No, because we got rid of it. So I want like a long desk where I can have like a side for something and like a side for work. Then I'm getting the Alex drawers. Everybody, you don't know what they are, but I'm sure you guys do.
You don't know what I know.
Okay. And then I want a new comforter. Not a comforter, like a cover. Okay, so we just found this one, or I did. It's this really cute, like, dresser, or not dresser, like, shelf thing. So I might want that in my room. What are my parents doing? Okay, so I found, like, exactly what I came for. I want one of the Alex, oh, here. It's the Alex drawer unit with 9 units. Okay, so I'm thinking of getting this one. Then I saw this bed cover. It's just plain white, but it's super cute. Stop! My mom thinks that my 18-year-old brother will want this rug in his room. We got everything, and now we're heading to check out. Yay! Okay, we just got home. We're starting to build them. My dad is building one part of the desk, and I am about to start doing this one. Why isn't this working?
What are you doing?
I'm putting these in.
God.
What?
Directions, Lexi.
Oops. Oh my god, do not do that. That is so weird. I'm gonna cringe editing this. I know. I just did this. Wow.
Gotta bend down and pick it up. It's not gonna move like that. A little bit further, it's not straight.
Oops.
But
It's not like all the way at the end.
tools back with it, all that kind of stuff.
Thank you.